Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and this is Jenny's Allotment Garden, and today I am coming to you from the smaller allotment plant that I have right next to a park. It is a really tiny space. It's basically 1/6 of a plot. I will give you a quick tour in a minute, and I'm just here today to pull some potatoes. So I put in some first earlies and some second earlies just here behind me, back at probably the middle of March, I think, probably maybe like the 20th or the 22nd, something like that. So we're going to try and pull some of the first earlies today and see if they are ready. They haven't flowered, but they are swift potatoes, so they don't always flower before they're ready, but they've been in for 11 weeks now, so they should be ready to go. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you quickly what we're growing on this really tiny little strip of land next to the wildlife area. Okay. Okay, so just going to put some gloves on and give these a little bit of a pull and see how we do. Hopefully I won't need, yeah, definitely don't need a anything to pull them out with, because I did try to do them no dig. I don't have very many in there really. I'll just move you so you can see, but we have got a few, and I will just have a quick root around and see if we've got any more. I will take the really baby ones as well, because I'm just steaming them for tea tonight, so it should be fine. There we go, squishy seed potato. It's not that squishy actually, it probably could have been in for a little bit longer. Put that over there. And as always, some weeds. I'll clear this out in another day. There's another one. Oh. Don't think there are any, oh, yeah, there's a couple more here. It's the thing with potatoes really. I feel like you can dig for a while and you think you've got them all, and then, you know, next year comes and in fact you missed loads of them. Just going to try pulling this little one here. It is a slightly smaller potato plant, but hopefully it'll still have a decent number of potatoes. So let's see. Oh yeah, definitely got a few there. Okay, you can see that little seed potato in the top there. Not very many of these. I'm going to pull one more and let's see if we get enough for dinner at least. So here's my first little harvest of potatoes. That's from 3 plants, so I'm not overly impressed really. So I'm probably going to give it another couple, at least 1 week I guess, and see if when we come back next week we're getting a few more, because basically we're only getting about 4 decent sized potatoes from each plant, which is not very many at all, considering that they're meant to be, you know, swift, but one was hoping slightly a bit more prolific in terms of the number of potatoes I would get. But they are all edible, and they look lovely, and I'm sure they're going to taste lovely tonight when I have them with my tea. Since we're here, I figured I'd give you a quick tour of this tiny bit of the plot. So I've had it since March this year, so it's June now, so only a couple of months, and it was completely covered in weeds when I started. And it is right next to this lovely wildlife area, which means that it's completely, well, one end of it, like this far end up here, is actually really shaded by trees, if you can see that there. But if you have a look, let's get a little bit closer, you will see that this is completely covered in brambles, which are all in flower. So I think I am going to have a bumper crop of blackberries, even if I don't have anything else. Most of the beds here were in situ when I took the plot on. So yeah, we've got some leaf beet and a bit of beetroot there. We've got potatoes, and at the back there are some onions and also some parsnips and carrots. The onions really haven't done well, which is mostly due to being shaded out, but you know, it's still providing food, not a huge amount, but it's pretty good. But as you can see, it's been really weedy, so it does need a little bit of love and attention, which I'll do the next couple of weeks. I'm just going to collect the rest of my stuff and then get back home for some tea. Okay, so that is all from me today, a really quick video. Just wanted to give you a quick look at what I was harvesting today, and a quick look at this tiny little plot. I am going to go though, because it is like just about starting to rain, and I want to get in before it sort of totally pours it down and I get soaking wet. So I will see you guys next time. If you enjoyed the video, please do leave a thumbs up below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.